Streeter just nailed it. Good morning, everyone. We have got a two-channel collaboration between Tammy's Manny and myself for a Harley Davidson manicure. I have got some beautiful orange nails here before me. This is by Madame Glam. This is a summer neon called Screamin' Summer. Love, love, love this color. It is true, as you can see. Love, love, love. That's the color we use. We are going to jump in. We are going to be doing some stamping. Now, it's been a long time since I've done stamping. I'm not gonna lie. It's been, can't say it's been a minute, but it's been good. I think I did one stamping collab in the last year or so, year and a half. Other than that, it's been probably a good 2 years. I started doing acrylics and the sheet monitor and everything, and got busy and kind of vacated the stamping. Whoops. So we're going to dive in. We're going to start with our pinky nail, and I'm going to put some fire. Here is our plate, our Harley Davidson plate that we are using. The first nail, I'm putting some fire. Gotta have some fire. So we are going to jump in. I got my ice cube stamper from Maniology. Sorry for reaching. Roll it over. Get your lit roller and take off anything excess on the stamper that you do not want on the nail. With the lit roller, you can get right up close and personal. This fire is not too big. We could have went with bigger. I'm gonna maybe randomly putting some bling on the nail. Let me see. Next, we are going in for the Harley Davidson shield. Cover your image, scrape at a 45-degree angle, roll your stamper over the image. Now you can see with the clear stamper you can line your image up on the nail as you want it. Press down, roll, rock and roll. Yeah. Roll your image side to side. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Next, we're going to go in for our bike. Gotta have a bike on our nails. Gotta have a motorcycle. Wouldn't be a Harley Davidson manicure without a motorcycle on it, as well as the shield. I don't know, it's just my opinion. We're going to line our bike up on the nail and rotate it back and forth. I think that looks really cool. Harley Davidson's is something that has been in my life, my heart, whatever you want to call it, my blood, since I was at the young age of 15. My brother-in-law, Dale, God rest your soul in peace, pulled up. He was my what my brother-in-law at the time. He was coming over to meet the family. He was with my sister Kelly, and he pulled up on that bad boy in the driveway, and I went running outside, and it was it. It was love at first sight. It's the only kind of motorcycle I've ever been on. So once again now on the next nail we are going in with the skull with the helmet on. He looks like he's been through a rough little patch there, doesn't he? Unfortunately, that's where on the helmet right there is where the stamper did not pick up. Because I think it looks so cool, I left it. You know, I mean, it's all your interpretation. I think it looks like he's kind of been in a wreck myself. I shouldn't have that on a nail like that or say that, but I don't know. I liked it. I knew how it was going to come out once I seen it on the scraper or the stamper. Okay, so I have got 2 sets of nails to remove off of here. I've got the tire tracks going, and the image does give you 3 sets to pick from. Beautiful. We're going in with our index finger. That's some tire tracks. And on our thumbnail, we are going to put, okay, the image right here just says Harley Davidson over and over and over. So that's what's going on our thumbnail. Check this out, make sure I got nothing extra. Whoopsie. As you can see, this does not cover the full length of the nail, so we need to go over it again. Add the rest of it on. Whoops. Got some paper towel stuck in there in the image. Remove that. Scrape against your 45-degree angle. Look for anything extra that you don't want on the nail. Remove it with the lint roller. And you're going to want to brace your hands. Oh, this is kind of crooked. We have our Harley Davidson. This is a gel nail set, which means I need to let at least this nail here set for a minute before I can top coat. So I'm going to start with the pinky. I have got some gems off here to the side. For top coat, I am using iGel Beauty No Cleanse. Float your brush over the image. I'm going to add me some bling. Whoopsie. These black ones do not want to go right side up for me. There we go. Not really. I think I'm deciding against those. Unfortunately, they are not working out. is really too bad. The black bling would have went really well with the set. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm a little bit out of frame, kinda. Uno más, uno más. Okay, that was had a flash cure. The skull head still just cracks me up. The helmet of it. I think it's funny how it turned out. I really do. Whoops. Ooh. Yeah, I'm really super quiet during this video here, and I'm trying to concentrate and put my bling on. Ooh. And we lost it. I don't know where it went, but we lost it. Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm going to stick this one in for a flash cure. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos and giveaways. Lord knows us ladies love a giveaway. I have a worldwide giveaway caught up for designer nail stickers. Now, I'm not going to be putting bling at every nail. At least I don't think I am. Have to see as I go here once they're all top coated. Alrighty, let me see here. I mean, this is a Harley Davidson manicure. I should have done pink and black. That would have been really cute. Probably what Tammy did. So I'm going to, let me think. I'm going to pause and I'm going to think. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I took the liberty of while off camera and thinking to place some more bling on the nail. I think she turned out really super cute for my Harley Davidson. I wish I would have went with pink and black, but I guess it'll give me another manicure to do throughout the summer. Well, let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this? Would you support my Harley Davidson manicure? I think it was really super cute. In tradition with the orange and the black. I like it. Please subscribe to my channel, click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.